Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, with the 2018 season yielding the NACAC title and the silver medal at the Commonwealth Games, triple jumper Shanika Ricketts is among the nominees for National Sportswoman of the Year. Simon Preston has her story in tonight's preview.
26-year-old Shanika Ricketts had a year to remember as she took the North American, Central American and Caribbean Championships NACAC title with a record jump of 14.25 meters. She also recorded a personal best of 14.61 meters to land the gold at the Athletics World Cup. TVJ Sports track and field analyst Dwayne Extall believes she has all the assets to continue her good form in 2019.
Between herself and Kimberly, she is better technically. She has the range, she has the height, she has the legs, so to speak. When you look at Shanika, her build is built like a triple jumper that can manage the technique. Kimberly, on the other hand, she's very strong, very powerful, very fast. But Shanika Ricketts, she's very smooth. She's very compact with her phases and she knows how to execute properly.
Extall has an idea as to why Jamaica continues to improve in the field events.
I think most of our coaches here have realized what they needed to fix, how they need to get stuff in place for the jumpers to be jumping better. So that's why I think we've been improving in certain areas. For the longest while, most of our jumpers would have been coming from overseas. Now we have local jumpers who are doing well on the world stage. So it's a great sign that our program is improving, but it's not an overnight thing. This is something that's been in the making almost 10 years now. So it's a great sight to see for our nation.
The RJRGLEANER Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala will be held on January 18 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Live coverage can be seen on TVJ, TVJSN, OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.